Hello everyone, it is absolutely wonderful to have you back here at the QA Online Academy. I'm Annie, and I'm thrilled to continue our Python journey together today. Before we begin, I hope you've had a chance to master our last lesson on Python lists. Understanding collections is fundamental for what we're about to learn next. Today, we are mastering Python Tuples. The essence of this lesson is learning how to store multiple items in a single, unchangeable variable, which is a key tool for data integrity in your code. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. They are one of 4 built-in data types in Python for collections, alongside lists, sets, and dictionaries. Tuples are written with round brackets. As you can see in this PyCharm example, we define our items inside the round brackets and then print the tuple to see our collection. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. This means the items have a defined order that will not change, and you cannot add or remove them once created. When we say that tuples are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order, and that order will not change. This is essential for maintaining data consistency. Since tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. As shown here, apple and cherry appear twice without any issues. To determine how many items a tuple has, we use the familiar len function. It's a quick way to check the size of your immutable data collection. By passing your tuple to the len function, Python returns the total number of elements, as you can see in this PyCharm example. There's a specific trick for creating a tuple with only one item. To create a tuple with only one item, you have to add a comma after the item, otherwise Python will not recognize it as a tuple. Notice the difference. With a comma, it's a tuple. Without it, Python treats it as a simple string. Always remember that trailing comma. Notice how we include the comma here. By doing so, Python correctly identifies this single value as a tuple object. Without that trailing comma, as shown here, Python treats it as a simple string. Always remember that comma to maintain your tuple structure. Tuples are incredibly versatile. They can store any data type, and you can even mix different types within the same tuple. Tuple items can be of any data type. Here we see tuples dedicated to strings, integers, and booleans. Python handles each one with the same efficient round bracket syntax. A tuple can even contain different data types. This flexibility is perfect for grouping related but different data points, like strings and integers together. If you ever need to verify the data type, the type function will confirm that from Python's perspective, these objects are categorized as tuple. As the output shows, the class is indeed tuple. It's always good practice to double-check your data structures during development. It is also possible to use the tuple constructor to make a tuple. This is an alternative method that's sometimes very useful. When using the constructor, pay attention to the double round brackets. This syntax builds your tuple just as effectively as the direct method. Now it's time for a quick challenge. Please open PyCharm on your computer right now. I want you to create a tuple with one item and check its type. The solution is to use the name single item tuple and assign it 42 with a comma. By adding that comma, Python correctly identifies the type as tuple. Great job. That's it for Python tuples. In our next chapter, we'll explore Python sets, so don't miss it. Keep practicing at home in your free time. Next chapter is all about sets. Make sure to stay tuned for that session. Please visit our website and join our community on YouTube and TikTok for more lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go back and review previous chapters if you need a refresher. I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy coding!